Hello friends, so very good morning. In this today video we start the again our Java tutorial 100 top questions. So in this video we discuss how to get input using scanner program in Java. So let us start with our header file. So firstly we import our Java scanner because we are using scanner to get input from the user. After that we make class. You can make any class of any name which is reliable for you and which is usually understand by you and any others. So you can take any name of the class. After that we open the tag. In the inner class we define the public static void main, which is the main file from where your program should be start. After that inside it we write our code. So here we take two things. First variable is integer a and second is float b. So we see the what is the in this video we also see the difference between integer and float, and we also take the input from user same number and print the different output. Let us see. And second thing is taking the b variable with float type. After that we write the scanner this commands. You also say that this is a code which is by which we take input from the user. After that firstly we define the a which is the type integer, so we take first integer. So with the help of system.out.println we simply print the output. Here you can see after the video enter an integer. After that we take in.next int. By this line means you can input the integer which are entered by an user. After that you can print that integer which are taken by user. And second thing we also take second variable name b which is type float. So here we enter a float. After that we take input of float and then print it. After that we close the tag and then we run our code. By seeing the run button we click on it and you see the output. So here you see that he is asking enter an integer, so we enter 45. So after that it show the output. You enter the integer of value 45. After they again ask enter a float which are taken in the second type float number, so you can enter same 45 for float also and you can see the something different output. Let us see 45.0. so you can make difference between integer and float also and see how to take input from the user. Thank you.